Hi, in this video we'll explore how to use templates in MS Word. Templates are pre-designed documents that help you get started. So let's start it. First of all, open MS Word, then close it, then go down the file button, then click on new. So you can see here the variety of templates. You can search for the specific one using the search bar, and you can choose any favorite template. So I choose from sample template and click on any this. So I choose this template and this template. So no, I choose this template. You can see here the templates are shown. Then click on create button. So you can see the templates are available in your, and change the text from here. Double click on it. So finally you have a ready-made templates to work with, making your task easier and faster. Thanks for watching, and want to learn more, check out the playlist for related MS Word tutorials. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe us.